I would like to ask you something. This is the second participation of Bulgaria in the Eurovision Song Contest, and I believe that we are full of white, green and red at the moment. Oh, that's great. Now, do you feel that you have a good chance to go to the finals? Are you ready for the finals?
Мисля, че имаме добър шанс, имаме много хубава песен, имаме много добър екип.
I think that we have a chance, a good chance. Our song is very good and our group and team is also very reliable and good, and I hope for a good performance.